Right, so this is how to lower the top basket on your Servis integrated dishwasher, semi-integrated dishwasher, and freestanding dishwasher. And you also notice this isn't actually a Servis, it's a Bernstein Group PLC dishwasher, but it is actually made by the same people who make Servis, which is Maloney. Open up the door, make sure it's empty, pull out the top rack all the way. Right, and you'll notice there's a clip here and a clip here. Just simply pull them out. This doesn't actually have a roller on this side, it's come off. But just line them up on both sides, push in, then line up this roller, and the other side, push, and push, all the way back. You may need to push on this, it's sticking out still, doesn't really matter. This is simply because that wheel's missing. And then to see it back in place so it doesn't come back out, get your clips. Locate the circle shaft with the holes and push down into both holes like so. I'm going to do both sides. And that's how you adjust your top rack on your Servis integrated, semi-integrated or full-size dishwasher. Thanks for watching.